We never stop the world. We can spoil the world together. We can always build together. There's no other way. But the corruption is corrupting one. But we can be fine. We can have so much fun. Hello, my name is Pippy, and I like to spell. And I'm with my friend Bon Bon. We never stop until we do words. Yeah, Pippy, been so fun. We like to spell, we like to hug. One of our friends has been corrupted. We never stop the journey. We never stop the world journey. We never stop until it rains. We never stop until the world has become into the earth. We never stop the world. We keep on exploring to some fun. We do adventures together. We never stop the world is never. We never stop the world. We never stop the world. Until the corruption comes and then he destroys the world. The corruption is bad. The corruption is coming. The corruption is coming for you. Bon Bon has gone corrupted. Our friends have been corrupted. We never stop the world. The corruption has taken over the world. They never stop the world. The corruption takes over the world. We have to run away from the corruption. Run, we run away from the corruption. We never stop the journey, but you better run away, or the corruption will come and get you. The corruption is coming for you. You must run away fast as you can. Hurry up and go. The corruption will come and corrupt you. The corruption